Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a happy mail from a good friend of mine, Jaime at Let's Talk About It with Jaime. If you don't know her channel, you would probably be interested. Jaime does her videos a little different. She puts them up 5 o'clock Central. And I try not to miss them. She premieres them. There's chat. There's a core group, I guess you would call it, that show up for most of her videos. And it's really fun. And Jaime will make you smile and she will make you laugh and you will enjoy her videos. She does everything from box openings to, she just did a really cool history on rag dolls. I think she has another one coming where she talked about the history of rag dolls and different rag dolls out there. And I know all of you are thinking Raggedy Andy and Ann, well, Raggedy Ann and Andy, and me too. And those are really important rag dolls, but she actually started way, you know, with the history further back. Very interesting. Anyway, she sent a package in a package. She was sending me something else that you will see, oh wow, on our channel later. So this was kind of, I want to turn this so the address isn't showing. This was pre-opened up, and I took something out, but Darren did not let me dig in it, even though I wanted to. But I had to set this aside. I had an injury about 7 weeks ago, and I'm still dealing with it, and I'm very, very, very behind. So it took a little bit to get this up. Anyway, without further ado, this is from Jaime. Hi, Marna and Darren. I found some dolls that are in dire need of rescue. She did tell me that. Also a few doll goodies and a bedtime merch shirt. Have a happy mail day. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see what the merch shirt is. Oh, let's talk about it with Jaime. Check it out. That is her logo. And it says Snackers in the back. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you, Jaime. And pink. I love pink. That is beautiful. I could do a lot of different things. First thing comes to my mind is putting that on something and spray painting, and then it would be there. Oh my God, look at this. I love, love, love that. I should have had one of my clowns standing here rather than my little poinsettia. Poinsettia's in her new dress that I just made her. It has all the what do we want to call those? Ladies in black. What was the first one called? Vampira and Elvira. This is so cool. I'll show you that in a minute. And I need scissors. Oh, I remember these from when I was a little girl. I love them. Oh, wow, it's a really cool one, too. A little tea set. How cute are these? Little pitcher, couple of little plates. Oh, I guess they're saucers. And the little teacups. Who isn't thinking about Alice in Wonderland? Oh, maybe not. Nope, that doesn't go on there. That goes on the teapot. Oh, I love those little pink flowers on there. So, so cute. This one goes on here. I love these. Thank you so much. How cute is that for a couple of my little Blythes? Oh, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I love those little pink flowers. How fun is that? Okay, she said there were a couple dolls in here that needed help. Oh, speaking of rag dolls, that looks like an older one. Looks like the head needs to be sewn back on. Maybe it needs a head and an arm made. Okay, that one's gonna need a little work. Oh, look at this clown. Look at the clown. He needs new hair or a big hat. Wouldn't a big hat be cute? Big floppy hat? How cute would that be? And one of her cards. Thank you, Jamie. A little Blythe doll. And I'm not sure. Oh my God, she's on skates. I love, love, love dolls on skates. I roller skate and ice skate. Darren and I both do. We used to go all the time. This might be one of those original little Blythes. I need to look at the back of that. Let me find my glasses. Well, I will have to check into this further. Gosh, that's cute. She does have articulation. She bends at the waist. I guess that's good. If you're right in skates, you can, catch your balance. Her arms move. Seems like they move together. If anyone knows what series this little doll came from, if you could let me know, I'd appreciate it. Obviously, she's gonna need some hair. Gosh, that's cute. Oh, I love, love, love a doll in skates. Now, this is what I said I would get back to. Oh, they're beautiful. Jamie had these beads, and she's been sharing them. She is such a sweetheart. She has been sharing these beads with different people. Look at this variety. Look at this variety. Look at this one. How cool is that? That's almost like a button bead. Oh, these are cool. I, of course, like these turquoise beads. There's turquoise and light blue and I thought I saw teal. Maybe I saw that. How cool are these? I mean, they're beautiful. These would be, so many crafts these would be good for. But you know where I'm thinking, Blythe pull strings, because I don't really, I don't know if you can hear my cameraman laughing or not. These are really different. Oh, look at this. These go on long ways like that, but this one and this one go on your string like that. You could almost make a bead doll out of these. Oh, these are, Jamie, thank you. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. That's, you know what? I'm gonna leave a pile here so we can look at them in the end card. Thank you, Jamie. Honestly, what a big deal. I really appreciate it. Oh, look what I did. These are cool, 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 cool. Oh, I like these. I have a shirt these would match. Very cool. Oh, wait, let me see this one. This one has like a monkey fist knot, and it's actually wrapped in cord. Wow, that's very cool. Very, very, very cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciated it. Sorry I made you wait to see me open it. Gosh, if I don't get caught up, I don't know what's going to happen. Thank you for the winter projects. And if you haven't seen Jamie's channel, please go take a look. We will leave a link in the description box. Jamie is a sweetheart. Just really a good, caring, generous, thoughtful person. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.